Are you ready to make affiliate commissions promoting high ticket products without having to chase anyone, without having to call anyone, without having to actually go out there and strive yourself to convince someone, and completely doing it behind the scenes, behind the curtain, using faceless method and earning thousands of dollars in commissions every single month by promoting other people's products? If you answered yes, keep watching this video, because I have a brand new method that I'm going to share with you in this video, where I am going to show you how to promote high ticket products with a brand new affiliate platform. That's right, this platform, I believe you haven't heard about this platform. You don't know about this platform. You never seen this platform. And I'm going to share this platform where you can promote high ticket physical and digital products and earn thousands of dollars in commissions on completely autopilot. You don't need a website, you don't need a blog, you don't need to write articles, you don't need to call anyone, you don't need to launch your own product, you don't need to have any kind of prior experience, technical skills. You just have to choose a product, and then you just need to drive traffic. If you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. If you don't know me, I have been in this business for over a decade. My training has helped thousands of people. Some of my students have gone on to make multiple 6 and 7 figures online. I have helped and trained thousands of people make money online. If you're watching my video for the first time on my YouTube channel, you don't know me, so get familiar with me, because I'm someone that could definitely help you change your life. If you have the correct mindset, and if you could put your trust in me, following my steps, following my guidance, and following my recommendations. So let's get into this business. Now remember one thing, before you dive into anything, you need to get your mindset right. Because if your mindset is not right, then I don't care, even if Elon Musk or Warren Buffett comes, you're not going to make any money. No one could do anything for you. You need to change your brain. Okay, you need to change the machine in your brain. You need to learn how to think more better, more positive than thinking negative. Okay, so let's dive into this video, and let me show you this brand new platform where you can promote high ticket products and you can start getting paid very, very good. And some of the high ticket products that you're going to be promoting on this platform are products that is like, for example, promoting an island, promoting a resort, promoting a 5-star hotel. Okay, and I'm going to show you this. Okay, so let's get into this. Okay, so the product I'm about to share with you is a product, not just a product, actually a marketplace with combination of products that you're going to love to promote, to make anywhere from $50 to up to $997 in commissions. Okay, so here's the platform. Okay, a link is popping up right on your screen. Open up a new browser, go to this website address. It's a special invitation link. I am inviting you to this brand new affiliate platform where you can promote products, services, high ticket products, and earn thousands of dollars in commissions. Okay, just open up a new browser, go to this website address, and you will able to create your free account. Okay, once you create your free account, you want to come here and complete your profile before doing anything. Okay, in that profile, you're going to complete your address, your postal address, your email, your phone number, your tax details, so they can pay you instant commissions. Now, the good part about this platform is that you could do two things. You could either become an affiliate and promote products, and you can also sell your own product. So if you have a product, you could just launch it here. And the good part about selling a product on this platform, that if you already have a product on a platform, okay, and you have a website where you're selling your product, you just come here, click on sell, give them the website address, and this platform will go out there and create your entire sales page for you to actually launch on this platform. And it will only take a couple of minutes. It's just press button, 1, press button 2, press button 3, your product is ready with your sales funnel, everything is ready. They use a behind the scene AI technology to create your entire product sales funnel. I tried it just a couple of days ago, okay? I have a product out there. I just gave them my website address. They took my website address, and through the website address, using the AI technology, they created my entire course, my entire sales funnel for me that I was able to launch on this platform. So you can do the same as well. But if you don't have a product, no worries. What you can do is you could just become an affiliate and promote other people's products. So to become an affiliate, what you need to do is once you have joined this platform, okay, using the invitation link, I'm going to have the links in my description box below this video as well, and you could also check out other links as well, where I am going to share how you can earn up to $100 to $600 by posting free ads on high traffic volume websites. Okay, full training provided, everything step by step, links in the description box below this video. Okay, so let's get into this. So we're going to go to the marketplace and let me show you some of the products. So they have a couple of different type of products. You can see this is the beauty and health products. They have e-commerce, they have digital goods, they have course and coaching experience. Okay, so you could see here some of the products. Look at the price of the products. So check this one out. Okay, home course 2. Okay, let's just click on this. Okay, it's paying us 15% commission, but guess what? Okay, this product is a high ticket product. Why? Because check this out. All right, if I scroll down, okay, you can see the product price is about $900. Now the commission is very less. You can see they're only paying 15% commission, which means every time you generate a sale, you're just going to make $135. All right. Now the payout schedule is 30 days. That means you're going to get paid after 30 days if you want to promote. It's a digital product, and what it is all about, you can see it's all about something to do with healing. It's about to do with health. It's got a 5-star review. You can preview the product. You can promote this offer by clicking on the promote button, and you're going to get your affiliate link. But you don't have to stick to this one offer. Now this offer is only paying 15% commission. Let's just check out some more offers. So you can see here's another product. It's all about the mindset leadership, positive mindset leadership. The product is about $297, and they're going to pay you 50% commission. Here's another product. It's all about fitness nutrition. The product is about $495, and they're going to pay you 25% commission. Okay, and then you can go on and on and on. Here's another one. What I was talking about, a private island. You can see here the product is about $497, and they're going to pay you 50% commission. Okay, so check this out. All right, so it's a digital product, 50% commission, and there you go, $497 the product price. And if you promote this product, and you're gonna make $248.50 in commissions. Okay, so again, you're getting a lot of value from this. If you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you anything. Click that subscribe button on this YouTube channel. Come on, click that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Click the thumbs up button. Give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. I'm going to keep on coming up with brand new videos sharing some powerful techniques on how you can make money online and how you can create a successful internet business. Okay, so this is a private island blueprint. Now, most of these products, you need to understand one thing. Most of these products that's being sold on this new platform are created using AI technology. So basically they've been promoting, they're probably selling this product on another website, on another platform. Okay, so when you want to sell this product by clicking the sell button, the platform asks you for the website address. You just give them the website address, and they use a behind the scene AI technology to create all these products for you. So that's why the sales pages don't look too attractive, like the typical sales page that you will see on other platforms like Clickbank. Okay, so if I want to preview this product, you can see that this product, okay, look at it, this is the sales page. Okay, check this out. This is the sales page. All right, check this out. Profitable private islands. What do billionaires invest in? Learn their secret and live like a billionaire. Okay, so you can see it's a very general sales page. It's not like too long. It doesn't have too much text. It's got a video here. Okay, just explaining what to expect. Okay, and then you can just get started. Now, I guess this product was created using AI technology. He probably sells this product on another platform. He gave the website address, and AI done all the heavy lifting for him. Okay. Then you could go into e-commerce products, okay? They have e-commerce products. These are some different type of e-commerce products, okay? 70% commission. You could see here, okay, look at this product. True Swing Signature 3-day golf retreat. The product price is $3,495. Oh, all about golf game, okay? And if you're someone who's passionate about golf, you can come here, promote this product. And guess what? Check this out. When you promote this product, the person is going to buy the product for $3,495, and you're going to get paid $524.25 in commissions. So these are high ticket products you can promote, okay, and start driving some good traffic. Then you have some digital goods down here. You can promote digital goods down here, okay. You can see here all the coaching program, the supporters program, okay. You see all these products, different type of products here, okay. Check this out. So this is looking so good to me, okay. So course and coaching as well. I guess that's another platform. That's another way of making high ticket commissions. You can see here, not all of them are high ticket. You can see this is a $900 program, $549, $247 program. Okay, so you get the idea. Just come here, choose a product, start promoting the product, and start making some insane amounts of commissions. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now so you get my video for the first person to see my videos, so you could beat the competition. I've got some very cool videos coming your way. So stay tuned and talk to you soon.